One of the great temptations in public debate is to talk about young people as though they were one single group. They are not. And one of the great strengths of this particular talk is that it reminds us of something deeply important. The same technology can affect different young people in different ways. See, I want to focus on the problematic social media use across 43 countries because the findings are very stark. In every single country out of these 43 that were examined, problematic use is associated with more psychological complaints and lower life evaluation. Every one of them. Now, that already matters. But then, let's look at a more searching question. Who is affected the most? The answer is adolescents from lower socioeconomic backgrounds. Globally, the negative relationship between problematic social media use and well-being is stronger for those with fewer social and economic advantages. That should stop us in our tracks because it suggests that digital harm do not land on a level playing field. They pile onto existing inequalities. A young person already facing fewer resources, less security, more stress, or fewer buffers of support may be less protected from the downsides of problematic online life. In other words, this is not just about screens. It is also about vulnerability, and the regional differences are revealing as well. The associations are strongest in Anglo-Celtic countries and weakest in the Caucasians, the Black Sea region. So again, context matters. Culture and institutions also matter. Social conditions also matter. And then comes another worrying discovery. Between 2018 and 2022, the negative association between problematic social media use and adolescent well-being grows stronger. Not weaker, but stronger. Across socioeconomic groups, across most regions. Oh, that's unfortunate. Now, this suggests that this is not a passing concern that will simply settle down on its own. The problem may be deepening. Now there is a temptation in conversations like this to imagine that fairness means giving everyone the same advice. But fairness is not sameness. If some young people are more exposed, less protected, and more vulnerable to harm, then a fair response must take that seriously. Because the digital world does not replace the social world, it amplifies it. If inequality exists offline, platforms often magnify it online. So the real challenge is larger than moderating use. It is asking how to build conditions in which young people have enough support, security, agency, and connection to withstand a digital environment that can otherwise exploit their fragility. Technology may be global, but resilience is not evenly distributed. And any serious response to social media and well-being must begin there.